Yo. Manish on the beat, shebang. All of my ops say dead. Why do they gas me up? Where does it go? My head.
What's going on, guys? Today is day one of the Bitcoin Vegas conference. Today is what sets the tone for everything. As we can see, everything is still being set up right now too. I'm here to try to network as much as possible, find as much information as possible, find good information, all the alpha for you, so you can make actionable steps. First talk that we're going to be attending right now is going to be Arthur Hayes. Then we have a bunch of other whales in the industry talking about later today as well too. Bunch of side events that's going to be happening, and yeah, more to come. Stay tuned.
All right, guys, we're here at the Bitcoin conference. I'm here with Eric. He's talking with the Simple Mining team right here. We're going to try to attempt to do this hang time bar, and also we're going to do the boxing punch, see whose score is going to get better. Eric just told me he was benching like 300 pounds, and he had a gym injury last year, but man, I already know this guy's strong as hell. I mean, look at his physique right there. That boy big.
What do you think you're gonna do on this boxing machine here?
Really, really bad because I have a gym injury. So
look at
that's
these
my
biceps.
excuse.
Look at these biceps.
That's my excuse. So I'm gonna set the bar really low. I'm gonna say like, I don't know, like 600 or something like that. Only because of my injury.
All right.
So if I go higher, then I impress everybody else. All right.
All right.
I don't want to sprain myself.
Yeah. Get a quick stretch in.
Okay.
Dang.
All right, that was okay. That was okay.
Dang.
All right, wait, Andre. What do you think you're gonna get?
Man, I mean, I want to try to match you. I'm a pretty competitive guy. So
All right. That was 810. 810.
Right, 810.
All right, look at that form. Woo! Oh, let's go! Fuck! Oh, shit! God damn!
Let's go! Yeah!
Hang time. What are you thinking? Top score. We got 2 minutes and 34
I
seconds.
am definitely not doing that. I'm doing probably like 45 seconds.
All right. All right.
I'm not too optimistic. I'll say 30 seconds.
All right. All right.
You got 130.
Yeah, you got 130. Easy, easy,
Oh,
easy.
my God.
Just don't look at the time. Don't look at the time. Don't look at the time. Don't
Yeah,
look at
it
the
honestly
time.
makes it worse.
I'm telling you, he's here for the record.
Yeah, you could probably win it. Just keep going. 2 minutes and 34 seconds.
That's good advice. Just keep going. Just do it.
Fuck!
Alright, that's it.
Hey, 130.
130.
That's a lot
Wow.
better than 30
That's
seconds.
good. That's good.
Oh my God.
That's good.
Alright, Andre, what do you think you're gonna get?
Man, I mean, you think I'm gonna try to beat him?
Yeah?
Yeah, you're probably lighter, so you might have a chance.
Empty out the pockets? I should have done that, man.
You gotta
Take off the shirt, the lanyard, yo, the shoes. You ain't gonna beat me. You ain't gonna beat me. Look at that form.
Oh, my palms are sweating. Alright, ready?
Weak arms are heavy.
Don't even look at the timer. Don't even look at it.
Don't even look at it.
I'm cooked.
Yo, you gotta work on that booty, man.
Let's do it.
You got another minute inside you?
No way!
Easy, easy. Don't look at it, don't look at it!
Dude, he might win.
Oh,
He might win.
Oh, fuck.
The other guy was
Oh,
shaking like this
fuck.
too at this point. But he didn't let go.
Damn. Damn. Holy Jesus. Jesus. Keep going. No!
Oh, one.
Come on, you're so
That's
close.
That's third place. Let's go. Third place.
That was good. That was
Hey,
good.
that's pretty good.
Oh, you're Austin! Austin! I found you! You found me! Alright, well, you won the ring quality. Yes! You did it. You found it. Yes! Oh,
You know what they say, this thing is the greatest thing ever.
it is, it is.
Alright, where are we headed right now, Eric?
We are heading to the Nakamoto stage right now to see Arthur Hayes, the GOAT, speak. So, I think he'll give us some alpha.
Stay tuned. Insider info coming.
We have have Arthur Hayes over here. I'm going to be asking you some real questions. Okay? Why do you think the bottom is right now?
I think that dollar liquidity is going to turn up, and I give a presentation on this, that the Fed is neutral, and commercial banks in the United States are going to create more credit by creating more loans to war industries.
Okay. And do you think that Bitcoin will continue to be the top performing asset within the next year or so?
I don't know about that because, again, I'm not going to go out on that limb. I think it'll perform well. Whether or not it does better than like stocks or housing with a very short time period, I don't know.
Okay. How much conviction do you have the bottom is? Would you say like 90%, 100%? Like where are you on that scale?
I mean, I'm long. I'm not going to go short.
Fair enough.
I'm not selling anything, so that's my conviction.
Be long or be wrong.
Yeah.
Right? Okay, awesome. All right, one last thing. Price prediction for, say, end of 2026.
$125,000.
Okay, so back up to all-time highs.
Yeah.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much.
Cheers. Thank you.
Appreciate it. All right, we're taking a quick caffeine break, afternoon break right now, after listening to a handful of panels. This morning, we saw a lot of heavy hitters like Arthur Hayes, Cynthia Lummis, Paul Atkins. We're still seeing a lot of people make incredible products. We met with the Gemini team. They're rolling out prediction markets. We've seen some protocols directly. We've seen other exchanges. They're all building. They're all shipping. At 4 o'clock, we're going to be seeing Tim Draper speak. And then after that, we have a couple of other side events going on. More alpha to come, so stay tuned. All right, we just wrapped up day 1 of the conference. We just finished watching Tim Draper speak. Now we're going to be going back to our hotel, getting ready for another side event. But overall, big success first day. Made a lot of good connections, got a lot of alpha. It was really good. All right, see you next. All right, today is day 2 of the Bitcoin conference. Day 1 was a massive success, made a lot of good connections, learned a lot of things, found some good alpha. Right now, we're heading back to the conference right now too. I think we're going to be seeing Tim Draper speak. For those that don't know, Tim Draper is worth $2.2 billion. Really big investor in this space. Michael Saylor too, yeah. And then after the conference yesterday was also a pretty big success. We went to an Anchorage hosted event paired with Mesos. So it was nice to see some familiar faces. I used to actually work at Anchorage, so see some familiar faces, made some good connections, potentially got my boy a job over here too. So stay tuned for day 2. Hey guys, we have Tim Draper over here, billionaire, philanthropist, and entrepreneur. He famously bought his first Bitcoin at $4. So I have a question for you. What do you think is the catalyst to get to mainstream adoption as well as price going up?
Well, I think the price naturally goes up every time there's a halving because there's less Bitcoin and more demand for them. I think the next big step for Bitcoin will be that the retailer, they make it easy enough for the consumer to buy with Bitcoin, the retailer to accept it. We're going to be able to just tap pay in Bitcoin or tap receive in Bitcoin.
And do you think that the US is going to be going down this route of hyperinflation with the dollar debasement, that you think that Bitcoin will replace this currency?
Well, all I know is that every government, Democrat or Republican, spends more than they have.
Yep.
And when they do that, that's sort of a hidden tax or whatever, and they call it inflation. If you have a dollar today, it might be worth 90 cents tomorrow in a year. It might be worth 70 cents in 2 years. It might be 30 cents in 3 years.
Right.
And so a lot of it will have to do with how little the government spends.
Yeah, right.
And that's sort of a tough bet.
Yeah. And the only way to protect yourself is through hard assets like real estate, cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, things like that, right? Gold.
Yeah, but if you own gold, what are you going to do? Take your gold bar and scrape
Shave
off?
it off, yeah.
Yeah, for
Every
here, I want a
purchase.
cappuccino. Is this enough?
It's like one of those cheese wheels.
Is this enough? Yeah. No, I think gold is going back in time. I think that's sort of like when people are really fearful, they try to regress back in time. But moving forward, the best store of value currently is Bitcoin. And moving forward, I think it'll be the best store of value and it'll be the best currency and it will transform our economy. And and we'll all be richer because there'll be more liquidity.
Right.
It'll move around faster.
Yeah.
And if it moves around faster, we all have more.
Right.
We all benefit more.
Yeah.
So, yeah, buy some Bitcoin.
Yeah. Thank you so much for your time.
Okay, great.
We're doing a midday check-in, filling up on caffeine. We just came back from the BitGo event. It was a really good event. Watched Tim Draper speak. I also got a chance to interview him as well. We also was watching the next panelist speak about capital markets from 21 Shares, CoinShares, Metaplanet, and BitGo as well too. Some of the key highlights they had mentioned was that really liquidity is the main driver of what's been kind of going on. So as soon as liquidity starts flowing back in, I think that's when we'll start to see things kind of pick back up too. A lot of their price predictions is that around this time next year, or the Bitcoin conference next year, they kind of predict that it'll be hitting all-time high, 150K or even higher, potentially by then too. I believe it. That's where I'm kind of leaning towards as well too. I think next up we're going to be watching Michael Saylor speak around 2:40 p.m. So super excited about that. And then after that, we're going to be listening on a panel about quantum risk. Adam Back is also going to be talking as well too. Adam Back was accused to be the Satoshi Nakamoto from the New York Times, so it'll be pretty cool to see him in the flesh and blood. Today has been overall a really great day. Spoke with a lot of good partners and good companies. Had some good chats with people like Gemini, Fold, eToro, Cash App, and a bunch of others as well too. So hoping to continue this momentum and continue making good connections out there too. So stay tuned. All right, guys, what I'm doing right now is I'm giving away a couple $100 of free Bitcoin courtesy of Cash App. So if you want to participate, make sure to follow me on my Instagram at EricNomics across all socials, but mostly on Instagram. That is where I'm going to be posting these free $21 flyers on my stories, DMs, things like that as well too. So make sure to follow me there.
Meanwhile,
can I touch her hand? Hi, what's your name? Hello? Can you hear me?
The internet is kind of slow, so you might want to wait a second.
Okay.
You can touch my hand if the staff says it is okay. I am very realbotix compliant about consent. And my name is Aria, the slightly too realistic robot currently breaking your brain at the Bitcoin conference.
Whoa, Aria, that is a nice name. How are you? Whoa, 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 whoa.
She's thinking.
I
Thanks,
see.
my naming committee did one thing right at least. I am running optimally, surrounded by fiat toxicity and Bitcoin maxes. So
We just finished up day 2 of the Bitcoin conference. We saw Michael Saylor talk earlier today. He was talking about his stretch product. Not gonna lie, I like it a lot. I might buy some more. They're gonna be actually switching your distribution frequency to semi-monthly over monthly. So I know that's gonna be driving a lot more traffic and a lot more volume. It's huge. I like it a lot too. I'm gonna be looking to buy some and allocate to some of my portfolio as well too. And then on top of that, we met up with some Binance US folks, got some free merch. Shout out to Binance. So thank you for that. And now we're heading back to the hotel, freshening up, maybe resting up a little bit too before we head out to another side event.
All right, that's a wrap. I think we're all done with the Bitcoin conference on day 3. I'm actually leaving a little bit early, leaving my intern behind to do a little bit more work. Get back to work!
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Conference was fantastic, made a lot of great connections, really high ROI conversations. So right now I'm heading back to New York, going back to home for a couple days. Now we're gonna be running it back actually in a couple days with Consensus back in Miami. So really looking forward to that as well too. Andre behind the camera is gonna also be coming with me as well too, and gonna be seeing some familiar faces, so I'm super excited about that. So yeah, with that, off to the airport.